In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime lagging on your iPhone. If you've ever experienced that frustrating delay during a FaceTime call, then this guide is for you. FaceTime lag can often ruin a conversation, making it difficult to understand and communicate effectively. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to improve performance, and I'm here to walk you through them. First, let's talk about your internet speed. Often, the root of FaceTime lag can be traced back to a slow internet connection. Take a moment to check your internet speed using any reliable speed test app or website. Knowing your speed helps establish if your network is up to the demands of a video call. If you find it's running slow, consider switching networks or contacting your service provider for assistance. Next, ensure you're using fast Wi-Fi or a strong mobile data connection. A weak connection is one of the most common causes of video lag. If you're on Wi-Fi, make sure you're in a location with maximum signal strength, and if necessary, move closer to your router. For those using mobile data, confirm that you are in an area with strong network coverage. Sometimes simply changing your location within your house or office can make a big difference. Now it's time to focus on freeing up system resources by closing background apps. Having too many apps open can lead to reduced performance on your device, causing lag even during crucial calls. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen or double press the home button depending on your iPhone model to view running apps. Close the ones you're not actively using by swiping them off the screen. This can free up memory and improve your phone's speed. Sometimes a quick restart of FaceTime itself can help. Go into your iPhone settings, navigate to the apps section and find FaceTime. Toggle it off, wait about 5 seconds and then toggle it back on. This simple reset can clear minor glitches and restore smooth operation. If these adjustments don't solve the problem, consider restarting your iPhone. Powering it off and waiting about 10 seconds before turning it on can refresh your system, potentially resolving any lingering issues. Simply hold down the power button and follow the on-screen instructions to restart. Lastly, ensure your iOS is up to date. Apple routinely releases updates to fix performance bugs and enhance system stability. To check for updates, go to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. Install any available updates to ensure your phone is running optimally. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in your FaceTime experience. Keep in mind that regular maintenance can prevent many performance issues from arising in the first place.